Go.
So we're going to remove a hard drive from this laptop. Pretty simple. One screw. Oops. Make sure you keep track of it. You're going to need it when you put it back in. Little ledge, just give it a push. Comes right out.
Did you guys end up taking the laptop apart all the way?
Angle. Just
Well, hard drive.
I put it back.
I mean,
Bends
part
up.
of this lab, those are
Oh, I
just
thought
two
it was screwed
videos.
on.
Yeah.
That you really, if
While we're at it.
That's it.
So then when you want your new one, just pop it back on.
it's a good opportunity to take something apart that you don't have to be
One end first, then the other.
responsible
As
for.
opposed
you
to
go.
mine.
Right.
As
You
opposed
can,
to mine.
feel comfortable with it. It's a great
Make sure you got
experience.
it the right way.
You have the time.
Okay, I need my
No,
phone.
that's
You're
fine.
right.
You have an hour.
For greens, I gotta make one.
Always never force the laptop.
Yeah.